Assalamu alaikum. This is Muhammad Ismail Ahmad, chemical engineering student, final year. In this tutorial, I will teach you the fundamentals of HYSYS version 11. And in this video, in this specific video, I will cover the introduction to HYSYS, like some basic things that we should know before going to study the HYSYS software. So first we will cover the HYSYS starting point, like when we will start the HYSYS, then the window will appear. And the second is simulation basic manager, and the third one is creating a new simulation, and fourth one adding component to the simulations. We will add the components in our simulation. And the fourth one, selecting a fluid package. How do we select our fluid package? I will explain you through the flow chart. Then selecting thermodynamics model, simulation environment. Then I will add a material stream. We have two streams, one is material and another is energy stream. Then the review and summary, and finally I will cover the problems. So in this video I will just teach you these uh, one uh, 8 models, and I will not cover the problems in this video. uh, I will decide to make a course on Udemy of HYSYS, introduction to HYSYS, and on this course I will explain every problems related to pumps, compressor, and many other unit operations. So I will cover the problems in my that course. So let's start the HYSYS. When we open the HYSYS, we will see these window will pop up, and all we need to do is to go to new and select the case. So our new case will create, and we will first add our component in our component list. Then we will go for the fluid packages and select our fluid package. So we will add component in our component list. Here you can see a bottle which is partially filled with the red color. It means it needs to be filled. When we add the components and when we add the fluid package, so this bottle will be the blue color. So the blue tick will appear. That means it has filled with the component list and we have added the fluid package. So here we will add, here is the add button. We will add our component from here, and then we will proceed for the float package. You must have to remember this, before adding these two things like components and float package, we cannot move to the simulation environment. You must have to know this. If I click on the simulation, the error it shows the one of your fluid package is specified as the default fluid package. You must have at least one fluid package in your simulation case. So it is showing that we have first at least one fluid package we have to select before proceeding to simulation environment. So let's come to the starting with HYSYS. Like I have already made a complete video how to install Aspen HYSYS version 11. So check out on my channel the complete video of installation, how you can download, how you can install, complete installation guide you will see there. I will mention the link of my that video in the description of this video tutorial. So this is the version, old version of HYSYS 2004. When we open the HYSYS version 11, so I already shown you this how you can select the new case, and this window will pop up. Simulation Basic Manager. First of all, we have to create a new simulation by pressing the control plus new, or we can also, like I have already shown you this how you can choose a new case. Like we have create a new case, and now we are over. This is the screen for the older version of 2004, and this is the newer version of version 11 of Aspen 1. So this is the difference. Saving your simulation is very easy. It's not a difficult task. Like we know how to save the file. We will just go to file and click on save as, and it will save our simulation environment. So first of all, we have to add the component list. We can add our components by its symbol name, and we can add by adding the full name, and we can also add our component by writing a formula. Okay, like i I will show you, I will explain you by doing this. Like if we have to add carbon dioxide, we can write CO and 2, like you can see here, and then just enter it. It will automatically add our pure component, that is carbon dioxide. So let's say we have to add oxygen, so we write O2 like this, or we can just simply type oxygen like this. So we can add in multiple methods. Now let's go to the fluid package. Selecting a fluid package by click on add button, and from the list of fluid package select the desired thermodynamic package. The list of available packages can be narrowed by selecting a filter to left of the list, such as equation of states, activity models, etc. Once the desired module has been located, select it by clicking on it once. No need to double click. For example, select Bank Robinson property package for your simulation. Like it's saying that we do not uh, have to add we do not have to like click double click while selecting the fluid package. Just we simply click one click on Banks Robinson, it will add our fluid package. Like you can see here, the red bottle will become the blue tick. It means uh, we have completed our component list and fluid package we have selected. Now we can proceed for the simulation environment. We have two streams like energy streams and material stream. So let's add the material stream. When we click on the material stream, we just simply one click on the material stream and leave the mouse as still. Again click anywhere, so our material stream will add. Like I will click again. So here we have add our material stream. You can see here a material stream has a partial blue color, or we can say that a sea blue color, and it shows that our material stream have not properly specified. So let's specify our material stream. Like we have feed of temperature, let's say 120 Celsius, and we have a pressure of this stream is 5 bar. So we write 5 and select the bar over here, and molar flow rate is let's say we have a molar flow rate of 100 kg mole per hour. Now you can see here it is we have an error which is unknown composition. So we will go for the compositions and specify. Like we have just one component over here. In many cases we have more than one component, so we will have to specify the mole fraction. The total must be, when we add all the mole fraction, the total must be 1. Like we have just one component, so I write 1 and OK. So now our material stream has specified, and it will become a dark blue color. It means that we have specified our material stream. Now we can all then we will add the then we can add our heat exchanger, pump, compressor, cooler, as we have described in our numerical. So For today, this is it. I hope you like my video. So take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.